Welcome back at the houseboat. Just got in and it's been raining like the whole week, and I've just discovered that one of my rain gutters, one of the seams in the rain gutters is leaking water. So it's a nightmare. I've come in, I've seen some water here on the floor. And here this one seems to be the culprit. So I'm just going to tidy that up now and just put some Mosaic bond on there, and hopefully that will seal it off. So the rain has finally stopped, thank God, and I wasn't able to repair the leak in the gutters. So what I have done is I quickly went to the market and I bought this this tape, which you can use for gutters and for roofs and all sorts of things, to basically seal off leaks. So I will apply this in a minute. As soon as it gets a bit more dry, I'll apply this to the gutter. And in the meantime, what I have done is I've continued with the front of the roof. So this is like the blend in the front. So I managed to fit the first part, and I'm going to continue with the other parts. And it's starting to rain again, so it's an absolute nightmare today out here. So these are these aluminium panels which I bought, and they're pretty good. They're good quality. They're water cut, and they have a very good good color, and also they're very weatherproof, so they should last a few years. You can see now there, it's really tough to make it to give it the perfect fit. So it's a lot of trial and error, and it's a real pain in the ass, to be honest. Also, when you're by yourself, it's tough to get it right. Back in the boat the next day, and just taking note of the damage, and there's been a considerable amount of damage from the water coming in through the joint in the rain gutter. It's really unfortunate, but like after 6 years, the joints finally decided to give in, and now the water's coming. And now, if I can show you, I've opened up this part here to let the water come through and to let it dry out. And we've had some minus degrees over the past few days, which is good. So the stuff could dry a little bit. But over here, there's also some water damage. So that's probably going to be my next task, is to buy some new panels and replace the ones here that have that have suffered the water damage. So yeah, let's see how we get on with that today, and then jump to the next task at hand. Obviously, there's plenty of tasks, plenty of things to do around the boat, especially now with the leak on the roof, which really is unfortunate. So I'm gonna have to fix that and make sure it won't leak any other place, because if there's a leak in that joint there in the front, the likelihood that it's going to occur in another joint is very high. So I need to make sure that I seal these off. I'm going to use the butyl tape, which I have, the white one which I ordered, and then hopefully the roof should stay waterproof. But yeah, once I have the panels for the ceiling, I'm also gonna have a look at the panels in the bedroom, because they're very low in the bedroom. They're so low. I mean, if you open the door will scratch the panels sometimes, which isn't the best scenario. So I'm going to try and raise the ceiling slightly there in the back in the bedroom, but that's going to be another thing, another task, another day. So this part is in the way of the rain gutter, so I'm going to have to remove some of that. See. Let's see if I can do it like that somehow. Okay. Okay, that's it now. And I just need to put these silicone pieces into the gaps. Not sure, actually. I bought them now, so I think I should put them in place just to make sure this thing is tight and there's no bees going in and all that stuff. So yeah, I think I should probably put them, seal it off, make it as tight as possible. Prevent all these insects coming in here in the summer. So I'm going to try and fill this gap now. Actually a little bit tricky because it's not exactly straight. The roof is kind of bulging out there on the left, so see what I can do here. So I placed one of the panels right there in the slot, and I painted the line that the roof goes, that the roof takes. So I'm going to try to follow that line, see if it fits. Let's see if I can get this thing in there. Okay. That looks good. That looks good, if you ask me.